Matt Don Hattan again. One unique thing that they've now come up with is that everybody seems to go with USB. What USB does is that you can actually download your music off of iTunes and now plug it into the inside of this. What it is that you look down and you'll see a white that has a 3-ring as far as your iPod, but it also has a USB port. The neat thing about it is that now you can actually hide your iPad, or if you have an MP3, and what it does is that no one will ever see it as you're playing music.